Musibire mutanywe nabakutuhondera Kitara TV tugarukire kireya na Julius mwebale nyene imukwikiyaho engaro weekend kababerereta by the way in week ni kusemba yo mwezi guno go munana
tugenda kweya kya mukaga
tujja kweya kya mukaga then secondly do you know omako gubano gutandika abantu ababana resolutions nyingi iyo maka guno bugari gutandika kagambo kwenda koraki
niyo maka guno gabanye gutandika nkabanyina kugure motoka
ati mbunu tuli mu komunana akubra emyezi ena omyezi ena ja kasente karaba kaike
akasente ngakatora ho ira ati emotoka ngibalira mu next year Kyonkewe mu have never entered her list like list of the year. Nkabisolovinga mostly like nebikira even after.
So basically nainywe na abaina resolutions zimwakozera omwaka guno ndijja kutandika. Okirenka ha this is the time to check yourself.
Yeah.
Omwaka tukagura bamu hagati nguno hatugutwaire ko munana kuhoireho tugenda ko mwenda
ko 10 ko 11.
What was your resolution omwaka guno until 2026 byojja kuba nokolera okirenka ha?
Abandi tubaka kwa soya de nakuota
ati arona bali mweraganize mujja kuzara omwaka guno kyonka mutoizenda zibabuzire kwenda kubara mukiyawo
ati nabandi abo abakutozenda bazibuzire kati kampa sometimes bana timanyire wewe kibako obumu bagamba omusayija niwe abanagirize emirimo yaje
nekyo kiroho arona abantu naturally oruzaro rwabo rutali rwa hayi ubaina kunywa emibazi mweru batire munywa emibazi
ali abali naturally batalwina no bakunywa emibazi
nekyo kiriyo then arona abandi otoizo musajja okuzalira naabula kanda niwo bayingi by the way basikinye tali buli musajja wenu ina kumuzalira not so
nanyoni namuwe kagamba musajja wangu okuzalira takaizi
okay so tibuli buli musajja nti wakuzalira some of you mugenda gani mutomera ni muzalira abasajja mutaina bazalira ni mumaliriza mukozereki mugalire
agaki
so Mwegendereze Kireya not every man into ina mutegera nabana yawe nyinenda yawe not every man into ina gakudo mamu
nikyo bagamba sometimes you have to be with sex discipline
so nainyu muliyoko mukamugaye kujezara omwaka guno one abandi mutoizenda zibuzire secondly mubuzire nabasajja bokuzalira kandi ati kangugambi
the table you're shaking has expensive drinks
kandi ati nekintu ekindi let me tell you naitwa abasajja nikyo kimu the other time I was telling you men not every woman ito ina kumuzara ntire
yeah that is right
buli mukazi wo kuzara mutekeza hali feature y'abana bawo iyo ja kurura bokubaina akabina abokubaina amaiso gakoto kaga Kireya biki baito obwongo butali
then baita alima abasajja abandi abagamba nyo kuzara omwana naisane kintuntu at least nzala mukazi aina akabina taina buongo niko omwana atuke we wasakundetire ente zange nkanizeze
ebe nabyo tibikiyakora because kankugambire omwana iyo gena no sango omwana mutaire mu class omwana no kugamba repeat P1 buli mwaka repeat P2 okozere kubi improve
biki dati manyewe ali mabamba babaino bane byekika bya batali baniza timanye
oyebiro omwana katwara obongo bomukazi wazaire mu no
akutwara voice
antaitijuka biggest percentage abana batwara obongo amagezi gabanyina babo kurugira kimu mukubonka bwaba nayonka cyane abana atwara amagezi gawo secondly hanu bwatandika kubaza ebigambo byo mubaliza atandika nayiwe
kumanyire wali okutandika these days ebintu biri modified buli bina abana bakutandika gana abakozi kubaza nkubandi yaho ndi business woman tinyina bule bukara mukakurolero mwana nkamulekero mukozi aine miezi nga miezi nto muno baira abandi bakwaleka gabaina nka I think like 1 year and 2 months or data nkira kuba naki no mukozi arona abandi ababarikani bagenda mbakadama mister Dugana alhona balimbe just behind le kabala abagenzire harayira ogwa kugenzire harayire but we have these ones abalini yahanu omwana wa ebigambo byo kubanza tali murora natandika no kulibata turabine bya butengenene ajja kujja be surprising omwana tandikega kulibata
and that is bad because you can imagine kulekero mukozi woruzire just yesterday
yabakozi
tumanyire mukozi ogahalaba ebyarabiremu amagezi ge entekereza ito gimanyire kyonka no yendo omwana ogwakule umukozi no kukuliza omwana can you imagine omukazi no yayifactinga amagezi ebibaze bigambo bikubaza
batakota mama
that is bad much as twendeze muno sente
sometimes we have to spare time.
Esente zitatuwebesa abaana baitu zitatuwebesa family yaitu. Hiyo ndio no araha abakazi amakazi n'abasajja ali very busy looking for money no bwagaruka omuka takenga bano babanabire babyamire balireki takebere no kebere mu kisika ky'abaana
singa kebera school fees zitaire yaise abana medication balabarwaire omukozi n'ojja kumutwala amteresi mwe omwana ali kubi kuno biru basasule too bad muno tikiri n'abakazi bonka nanywa abasajja abaana banyu batungira obwire iyo ujja kwefora tokera nyenkyagara muno genda kora sometimes omusajja agenda na rambo omwana wange nakwenda muno nyina nyokira akwenda muno nyina kira nyowe but sometimes batamanyire what time yoherizo omwana we have kids nimenda muno by the daddy babo more than how they whatever they love their moms because abazali babo bashengyo so much mbo abaherizo they are bonding with them
so ati much as tuli busy bojoyini nyonga abantu atukuranka abajungu abiro obo bakatuleka yo dyona abajungu company almost isakuha bageta maternity leave myaka nkebiri
these days we have even companies zikola tinu kanyo sister yangu nambala kolera
maternity leave
right now she's pregnant
kan isigara ne kusasura
bwarwara bamugamba utatura they pay that day nabayomuka buika kaire for some good months kaleba boinemba alhegena bamweza maternity leave they pay her alino omuka nakalukana mweza even excess months before she comes back to do what to work alipo companies by the way
I think even
zikulidingwa
abajungu antiliko abajungu bakatuleka ati na government yetu ya Uganda government abakozi baeba maternity leave for how long
I don't know really because I have mukazi wa brother wangu what I remember bakamweza 3 months
maternity leave
yeah, 3 months 3 months
in fact kinakubake kyabajungu maternity leave at least myaka ebiri
3 months
abukubo manyire ege myaka ajja kuzaliramu at least ayonkeze mu myaka nkagumu
agume
so
azino biro bino nyonka raho abandi tibakwesa sana besa nyonka raho mukazi nyakazere navuga ka sport atakagumire birebi navuga ka sport
so therefore much as we want money sente tukuzitoza muno but I think family should be first
family should be first
abako bino byone bitukora ati ojagamba okolerera abana bawo kyonka abana babo kugamba bokolerera rugale ekyo abana babo gamba bokolerera tomanyire mulingo bakuzibwamu atukubakolerera
tomanyire sometimes abazere babao batamanyire oba mwana wango sometimes it's good ku monitoring omwana wao
yes that's how it should be
omwana wange bwaba ati abati omwana wange bwaba ati abati kyonko ja kuba no mwana tomanyire when you do this omwana bwaba ali ati because me my mom bwaba ambo in timbe just like face expression abamanyire either I'm excited either I'm annoyed either I'm pissed off about something inankengera just because just remember ambo in rorambo her face kyonko abazere abamutajja kimani
and you see now that ate okimanyire government enyemereze coaching ekagamba era bwe bakusanga eisomero lyonna eri coaching abana mu holiday bagibasiba and that has always been my argument abana bano babatwaira haisomero 3 months bakusoma omwezi guno ogumo gwa holiday nagaba kini mwegenda gwa uchupayinga
ati live alone bine byo kusoma muri bumure biboje ebintu ebyantali banizaga. Children don't get time with their parents, by the way.
Yes.
They are trying to end up basome, yes. Basome, and what I know, they have a lot of time. But in a sparing your time, you gama guno mwezi katubaleke banabana.
Abana abo mwezi guno gumu.
Yete na bakuzire by the way.
Babona akaire na abazaire babo. Akaira ako abazaire babo begise emirime endi. Because at the end of the day, not that even bitukusoma musomero bikibikyo buli omuntu bebijja kumuyamba.
Yeah.
You understand?
By the way.
Abandi bajja.
Abamu bali yoko bakusoma but there is no way mbu bajja kwikala mu office.
Yes. No way. And then secondly, abandi bakusoma at the end of the day bajja kugaruka nuba kuzi business za family. Kyonko mwana amare kusoma truke tamanyire business family business
family business amemwe ngamba nyo mwana iwe clear karaho na dadi wange but we have no enables. Tuikarame wetu nuru bwara baine kyanyete irege kubaza nikyo ntubaza full stop busomboze nde yongera ali nagamwana yenyegomba how you behave with your mom nyoma mwange tinsobola kubaza nawe ntyo nyoma mwange tutugira mbozi bwala batuyizire nko bogamba tulina kintu kitugenzere kola onike kitugenda kubaza otuchuleero eki kina kiruganka because you're lacking connection with your kids abana timu bahereza bwire
so eki amasomero kuba gata kusomesa mu holiday eki nkakitangirira ati nobuzibo bonde hali buli amasomero gano coaching ya gita for business
kusaba sente
yuko chife no mwana wa P1 mwana wa P2
okumukoachinga
coaching biki
manyazinga kandi omanye
business kandi mitwalo ebi basagamba coaching yonka 1 month mitwalo 15 mitwalo abiri
haleluya
ati bakutunga abana bakwalina abana nkabayinga
mwana ono mudoma muno mu class ya mwana ono bwana kumuyamba tunamcoachinga omwana ono teye mitwalo 10
buli kintu kyonna mukakifura business
holidays boyenya bakusomaga holidays nyo bantamire mitwalo 8 musanju boteko na school fees kutandika next term kandi nu munana bora watagisasire tajja kusamba ali haisomero kusoma holiday kandi barani batandika like term aina clearing zero balance mwebere riskida abaina soma holiday ebintu nkebe nababo abegesa cyali mu bitunule musasira abazaidi
so hata amasomero cyali ebyo bya holiday coaching kibasazire kandi obakwata inywenda bakuba
titubasasira
mukuba murugwiremu
then ekindi kimege nyenda kubaza about friends hati mbonye tuwe tugenda akora tutabamu ebya abanywani to bayinago muisiki ayisirege mugenzi wayo bati bamukwasirege that's what I had
akamunywani wenyine
akamunywani waye best friend waye era no lira mpostinga gana mutaginga kabinde byo ratu posting no postinga munywani wawe ati nkanyonko gamana generini nituwe postinga ni mutagingaga tugenzege outing tugenzege ha basket court ebintu nkebi abere best friend waye munywani waye
ati yisiruhanga kakora obankite kurungi obakubi kutusereke mitima atokura kire I might be here with you to korahamu we are friends but deep down in my heart yarumu ekinya kuserekere utakusakike utakusaki that's tima ruhanga akakora kurungi obakubi kutusereke mitima you don't know mutima gumuntu
sometimes it is bad
niko korolera anti kiri kirungi kwemalira y'abantu
sometimes some about things that are happening in this world they are making even you know get scared atina abamuno gamba nikyo kura like sometimes it abamuntu esorora because me mostly timanya we otingira mukisago abanywani muno except osangambo people who are close to me they are my relatives there's things like that kiba very difficult to get a good friend okura kandi nyomba ira we nikyo bagamba sometimes follow your instincts ekintu bigambaga wewe kintu kin otakigumira era nyowe bombanyi no munywani nkalo atandikire mbera ezo kupulinga she wants me to run after her akaita mu rubera nkalo like my heart is not fine with whatever she's doing
hati kampabuzi go akamuitira
kandi akamwita kibagambirege ekibamwitire omisikiwe statements zaiza akora tizikwatagana first of all agambirege embu atamuite kyonka ijuka bagambirege landlord akahura noises at night when those people were you know like quarreling giving to kebyo ya sindika message ya habuzoni ya muhabuza is everything all right then imbonu wenyini Rita ya sindikiro message ya mugamba ya everything is fine then very early in the morning basanga mu skill like almost Hanek was off amusazire no mutwe then amchumisa in the abdomen after when she has run away abisonga bakagamba kabodinga yaturuka ihanga but kigenzege kuzuru ambu akagenda Kenya then bagamba mbu yahandika ekihandiko by na TikTok kibairo nikigamba ambu me I didn't kill that girl or someone who called Muhammadi we got that guy from that Tinder app akabonenda tukole 3 some bimanye bintu fantasies zabajungungeze zibenda akanenda tukole 3 some butu agenzire yo mwaye tumazire kole byabera tusabire atusasuire then mbono mugenzi yabayo sente zogo msaija bobayigire batahire muka mbu onu yagamba omunywani waye omugenzi yagamba onu Rita mbu I have stolen some money mogo msaija hati kyonkazi ne sente zinyibire ziri nyingi zikusobora kwindura ki obomezi bwaitu mbu from nowhere yambu Muhammad kandi yaija. Then people were asking how would a guy from that Tinder know where you guys were staying mbubi izire barwana Muhammad yaitoha munywani waye kyonka byona bwo kuba no birora mutibikwatagana how do they kill your friend okura nyo if that thing has happened trust me a killer cannot leave a witness kila tasobora kuleka witness tasobora kuita onu akakuleka hoyiwa another thing n'abantu nkabaho bakukenga kyonka bakagamba they never saw any man naija kyonkono
ati au nanka utaino tubuso kamera yo
bakagamba kamera kolekya there is one girl ayatahire momo ayabaire bakabata kamururaho gambo then ono ruita then yayolekya na ruita nakoraki nagenda in the morning in the morning kyonka bagamba me has a friend by the way think sobora kula my friend has gotten any issue kimanyire I didn't do anything and I failed to go to the police to report another thing what would push me kusindika message ola mpabuize are you guys fine ukagamba yes fine kandi tutali fine ekyo nikigozi legekoraki
you see omwesikyono asakuba yaisiro mwana omugenzi amwisire out of anger omanyire abakazi you have one challenge sometimes when lukali na jealousy na envy biraho kale byono biteranizi omubihirwa that is the weakest part of most of the girls they hardly control their anger
kumanyire me I've ever reached to an extent by the someone has ever pissed me off but I've never thought of like killing this person kyonga most of the time nyekiitekereza muko gamba you know what I'll let the law decide either by the most of the times by the onyo muntu bankole kintu ntekereza in suing yade kimpisi ngira kusoma ngamba akogende mu nkoma abasonga bagamba muntu akwendeze enkomo abana kwendeza
atabandi baba bazibu muno controlling anga no sanga kanda to okutekeza obuntu obutabula obuntu obubatabula nya basi bugamba bwingi muno ola sana kutabuka ntabukwa maybe aroze nabazana boyfriend nagayi tugezo ina boyfriend okora na mugonzi wawe nabazana wo
batokuroro omuntu akubaina omutima to cut off someone's daughter omutwe nearly chopping it off okagaruka kamchimta chimtebiso in the abdomen
abakazi bayine emitima abakazi nibo abantu bayine emitima a friend of mine was telling me aroba atabukire no mukazi obatabuka no mukazi akagenda kwesimuka nyinkya kwesimuka kale ngo kwesimuka bayiro kujagira akasanga mukazi akwasiro muhiya niba abakazi era nya abantu bagamba bora kunganaga no mukazi oyino mukazi omuka okungaine nawe otabyama sigara TV utakujagira
kirikiro kyawo
gikara nona abamaiso biki otherwise abakazi nuwo mukazi okusa kumubihiza today
ate no
natekereza ebintu kukola ekintu
ate no turugena habi abakazi this issue nyo omanyoni kangambirege it is people with anger issues but by the way you have okula nyewe me I can't stay with you for a long period of time ntamanyire mbu wewe Julius ono abihirwa bwangu ebintu bikale bimuhiwa bwangu nabihirwa bwangu I can't fail to understand that. Era nyebumba with a friend. Mwegendereze muno bana Abanywani. Omunyana atakukana sikana iwe muno. Omunyana atakusharing things with you. Ngobagamba deep things. Na ikara wengwa abiye kugira.
Those serious people.
Very bad. Oba musajja oba mukazi. People with anger issues. Muruhanga ko trying to make sure mbo yahazire muna abantu with anger issues.
No kandi nekintu ekindi.
Na relationships nne zitukubamba.
Nekintu ekindi na relationships ataraho no kuba no mukazi. Na ordinary like munjonsi nkusakwita you see those statements omuntu osazitwa lightly but aro omuntu akwikira gamba nti nkusakwita
we have a TikTok omusajja bakamukata kulunga katambi ali mugamba me am going to kill your sister mutamanyira because ebita bakamanya kusandara yamuita bya serious
abantu ebigambi bindi sometimes sabitwa lightly but to be serious omuntu alakwikira gamba nti nkusakukwita nkusakusala
so mukwano abantu abaina anga issues mubeganyire oba munywani wawe oba muki mweganyira azonga zibara baina anger issues okula no relationships zin omuntu nyowe have ever been with person near the moment wakangamba manya relationship ukangamba nyowe sa kutera kali just imbe kali minor thing kakubihize mbuyo my boyfriend ukangamba nyonsa akutera kamikya no mukono appetite yawe ni hebuliraho tindi kugabira
atikusana na nyowe ngo butu kubantu bazomisiya kangamba tutabukiro kuntwara police nyewe nkagambo muisiki gonze mpulire gorugambo bayinoenda kunyegera police oba inoika kunyegera police bikukanga because at the end of the day why do you bring in police hagati yange nayo
nkugambire
ekyakandi nkahura orugambo linaganyo kusakorogo mukasajja musajja nyo kumuroga omukazi nyowe omukazi kundoga kuntwara police statement ebyo people think ibintu za kuona bazabu but to be serious
you know me I be telling my people even my mom nimbagamba me the moment I'm in a relationship with a man akangamba bugamba nyonja akutera from nowhere just omanya abasajja alima bepanguraho waye bina my feelings for you was
bali abakazi abenda kubateera
nyoti ndi muri aba bakazi ebyo omusajja kuntera timbiri
mukasajja babata muteere ta
aba kaloko no budoma bwabo bo babudoma bwefora
atara abantu
bahungu tukiro bararu omanye bagamba kuleta bararu mu bantu bombe
aronyo kapo yendora hano arokapo yemanyiro kandi nayo bugimanyire bali barwana almost on a daily basis ogenda kukenya
love language
ya notikeza nyikyakara ogenda kera nyikyakara bali very fine kyonka mukiro no gamba bageni bajja kwita ate bintu ebi
baba ndi bali mu gundi yabo niko
ate bintu ebi
abategene manya bakulwana
ate miteri ebintu ebyo sakubirwa birungi okusana but one day omuntu
they will kill themselves
omuntu masa kwita mugenzi wande omuntu omwanda sakwato muyemisa na maraga mu kimito mu bikimbi kusanda iwe no tekisa niko bakaba buli kiro niko bakaba batyo cause mukwano the good thing by the way mugenzi
by the way the good thing they arrested her nikyo kula bantu abayege bali mugamba bantu inywe for us we are scared of abajungu they are so trustworthy bagira amazima cause bagambira gogo musikibi yairukire akabanaga mamba akagenda Dubai ntamanya akairukira Kenya yerukira mu boyfriend wa ya mujungu hatino boyfriend wa ya mujungu ngira bine byokara TikTok akagenda kura nibagambaga girlfriend wa yako zeregeki aisege friend waye yabazana balo yabaye bagama polisi ya Uganda musiki baje bamukwata ogo musiki wenyine baje bamukwata so mikwano me am telling you people bora bano ikala no mu nororo muntu akantu kakumubiza okati mulanga those people will kill you try to kusengeja mu bantu bomukwikala nabo by the way muleke gamambe kamugumire my friend turugire halaira ogo wanyine watugire halaira ogo nwagenda kwita otakayikire kufu ajja kwita otakayikire kufu so people try to understand abantu bamukala nabo bora wowe no muntu onu wewe omuntu onu obusungu yebuli hayi genda amunsi munalima abantu bayingi by the way okusobola connecting nabo
abapangisaga babiri oba
no ono mwisiki yapangisaga wenka ati ngoba kula mulinkanye karanye
obaisire
then no byabere agaruke bino abasonga bagambe mbona ayisire yayikaga muno nali batali batamba nyali chai n'abanyali ya heru manyali ngaye na ikaraba nabasika baba showbiz bokuli batali bata then byagarukire yagama munywani waye afuniremo buzibu nambala bayina ikara amuyamba koleke amuyamba ikale nawe then yaranka kuikara nawe hari mbyuktanika kuikara nawe bayikare emyezi bayikara hamu
abanyoro bagamba ijja twikarane ijja tutabuke niko abanyoro bagamba
era that orufumu urutahatu hamusonga yonya karoza emirundi nyingi urutahatu so bamekuwa
but you see also nyo kugaruka yali kiri kyembagene kugamba tikiri kirungo omuntu kumwemaliraje machazo sakuboina munywanu bati no munywanu wawo gotamwemalira yo muno
betu kandi these days no botaka kumwemalira yo muntu akwesereka mu my people omuntu ogiyade bano by the kumanyambo togira abanywani tekore go kabaza
I don't have friends
like
in our colleagues
in people tekore go kabaza no muntu ukahura the way they are replying back to you mutoni yabo they have either their envy or but they don't want you to be you know kandi kubaza kwetu kunu muno you can pick someone's thoughts by the way
none kindi kyankugambire kinye kindi kinyarozere abantu abatugira he munenu guba babanywani baitu
very close people
nibo abantu abatugira he ndugu yes banu aba batakwenda kubasinga babani bendo basigale halevo zabo buro ya kuchuzinga something
and you by the most of the times whenever I'm with my friend bumba mfunire ko muntu gama mfunire munywani I hate seeing them but very down mbani nyenda meno munywani onu niko butraba niko bugamba we are going out bunda banje yakaka itoka juat bunda banko zile kisoke likole if I'm looking good you look good bunda banye kalira hanu wewe unankai obwavuka buto tuite senti tuzifunire tuta I discuss with him wewe tukole tuti senti tuzifune but sometimes it is a very pity thing mbosango munywani wawe takukwendeza
atate kona competition atakwenda musinge iwe do you know iwe gendera muna abantu ama business abaina business oya kwesanga abanywani bawe niwe batakusagika yes abanywani niwe batakusagika
very true
niba bayijja nibenda amabanja
very true
friends and yet friends niba kuzi niba guru babya baby
byakile me support my girl
But Abanywani abakusinga these days baba very envious.
Mwegendereze kikwete Abanywani anytime soon. Nyo muntu ungakuroino bugeso tubatage na kuikerana. Me cause me whenever I'm with a friend, but I want you to make you my family. Yeah? But niendobe like, you know, close towards it. Obenko muntu ali wa family, Balo kutaka kuleta mobera bera mkwano. Era nyewe ruhanga wange timanyo I have things that we protecting that imanyiriki. Me the moment unka feelinga anything. Era by the out alaba usunu right. It exposing irembo you a bad person. So sometimes you people follow your instincts. Ekintu kyakugambe omuntu ono mweganyire. For God's sake mweganyire. Otakarambuye kwalisa hempaka kwa bagamba senkati mutima ali that thing ekikubaliriza
ekikubaza munda
tandika following that thing muja kufwa.
I think just abantu balina kwegendereza Abanywani balina kwegendereza Abanywani bana abantu bokumara kasembeza mbomezi bawo
bana kwegendereza Abanywani bayirawo.
I don't know why it is very hard na muno abakazi kuikarana wesanga mpaka batabukire.
But then I have like a friend.
Kizi muno kumara gaikarana.
Ati nyokura in this life, the people have tried to stay with it. Tukaikara tuli compatible. Kandi even at this time we are still friends. They are three. Hope. Aliona ndiwa mwita Trish. Then aliona Angel. Those three people. You haven't have ever been there and I understand them completely. Nitumanya boundaries that have you ever been with a friend, you know manya boundaries, no manya limits, no manya you know.
Ati nabo chakusanga toikara nabo. You meet occasionally.
Nope. Tuikara nabo. Because Trish
ni murara ham.
Hey, Trish nyikara nabo kampani. Then this hope of mine nyikara nabo. Mwangi. Hey, tuikara ham. But sisters by the way.
It is hard. Very hard.
It's very hard. By the way, warumu to find someone who gonna kuba na compatible na wonko gambe, hey, you know this is my friend, my bestie. Itaja kuba nawo akwendeza omusajja. Ugende kumutandika kutabuka omusajja wangu mutwayisha. Obe nawo ugende kusangani wakubaza heavy gambo mtown byone bikaliye byone bikufaye mbozi zanyeze munyumya hamo sange mtown. Urugambo sange
mtown. Na tahati nyi murura.
Ugende kuruga haho ni wata akwendeza kuba kurungi.
Bara Abanywani banyini ninye mwina kutugondeza.
Ninye mwina kutugondeza. Ati okimanya mbali Abanywani okwo nalibata. Aliyo mukatogeza aliyo musajja mugayigo akabarura ni muri bata babiri then chance nejane musanga naitana munywani wangu bajana munywani wana gamu iskola otakurungi omanyire munywani wawe there is a girl bukaba busumi buti ukabano libata nawe mbaye ni kusaba he namba ya yogi nyambi so musoko mbaye ni mwende bakakengama omugaga nwagenda kutuwara mukwano najana akubalirize ebi nyogo bira bintu tubaza tukatabuka kyonkani harugire mu mukaha mwikere ham tukatabuka ako mitsenga zaite sikenka nyone namba yenka gihamu musimu yange ndamanya takwenda gabaki enamba takwenda okoleki omukuko ekyo tamanyina mbuza moment you introduce your friend your close friend wotakura bintu bidima ebitali gunde ebitali bibye trust me wakugenda mugo mside and she naba moje sako anytime soon you will get a man of that caliber cause bokaba good friend bajakula Abanywani bolo msajja jakwani bamuhabuza boko boto eriyengeso nungi yo tokimanyembo bana abasajja tokaba gaho okabano musajja ali munywani wawe akaija no musiki waye kamba yenye musiki wango na girengeso nungi biki bintu nkeyo musiki she has no problem then mu Banywani wakagamba baitu menyenda musiki wawo go bana bane munywani waye ali nkawe amunfunire oba bana bane sister waye ali nkawe amunfunire at least amfunire namba me I will talk to the girl, you know I date a friend. You get that see. Hadi nikiyo kugamba tuina kwega kwegondeza. Bozo nyoti nkaba gaholo munga.
And I think iben kuba kurungo ali munywani wange nayo
kuba kurungo. I don't know era bunku bandi kurungo ali kuyo ali munywani wange nanyo kubanye no mutima gubi. Cause me I love pulling up my friends. Bukara kali ka vacation tujakagenda. Baby. Bukara kali kyo gama ngoyo tugende outing tujagenda baby. But don't think you will leave me home ogenzira outing munyo next time nkutwale no nanyo njakufunda entondo ngabe next time katantu alright.
Alright, mwebale muno abakutondera Kitara TV tukatunga ibara lya
show please. Mutufunire ibara lya show.
Ramukiya abantu tumalire entekanisa.
Abantu abakutulora abakutuhondera ha YouTube ha TikTok mwebale kutulora mwebale no kutugonza mutebwa agakutu follow like and comment, subscribe on YouTube. Abantu YouTube ogenda n'ororambu they have viewed but likes is takwingana nani. But commenting batakulakinga nokulakinga. When you go to view
and YouTube egegira category y'abantu bayo era bo marota posting na YouTube ora what happens to the show
bikebi so mkwano you have to learn to like the show via YouTube, via TikTok. Charlie, another thing not forgetting 23rd
October. Yeah, Tales of Julius Shomuhendo.
T-shirt C
turoho muno.
T-shirt C za 30k. Color yokwenda tuina white, black and what? Na red. Was it orange red?
Red is apparently nizo kala isatu.
Nzo kala isatu. Then ha black tuina haina haka red, tuina haina ho aka yellow. So ati parties zona tukazifavoring. Okupikinga kala yokwenda.
Pozi kala vile vile bikagenda politics.
Bikagenda politics. Tukaba sortinga. Tuli babona cyane.
So bayiraba t-shirts muzigule and tickets by very soon jakuba ziturukire Tales of Julius. Tujakwina kuzitunda. Inakuzitunda.
So mwabana kutuhondera no kutuhuliriza no kutukurora. Yeah.
Mwekale kurungi. Bye.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.